Hey everyone, Santos here with Redbird. Hope you're having a great day. Today I wanted to bring you inside the Redbird world. A lot of people think that in IT we kind of just sit behind a desk and just work on our chairs all day, but there's more to this than meets the eye. A few months ago actually, we did a big installation, surveillance, which was a lot of fun. And today we want to walk you through a big project that we have. This is a project where the customer has about 5-6 apartment buildings connected via fiber. We're coming in to provide the routing and the network manageability of all these buildings. So the goal will be that the customer will provide his own internet to his tenants and be able to manage the speeds, the quantity, and all that entails a good internet provider to be able to do. So stay tuned and come follow us in this fun project. All right, so now that we're here, I wanted to show you guys, this is gonna be the main management hub for all the buildings that we're gonna be connecting. The fiber's already ran to all of these buildings. The main fiber hub per se is in another site, but the customer wanted this site to be where the actual management router is gonna go, where the management cloud key is gonna go. So I wanted you guys to take a look and just follow along with me as we build this out and go around and collect all the data that we need from these switches, so that when we do open up that management portal on the UniFi portal, we could just adopt all these devices and give the client exactly what he needs. All right, here we go, guys. So we're gonna start by mounting this UniFi Cloud Key Gen 2. Nice thing about this company that we love to use, this is Ubiquiti and the UniFi product, is that when you ever want to set up a network with them and you want to be able to manage all your devices, you're going to do that through a Ubiquiti key, also called the console key. They got different forms of console keys. Some of them are routers, some of them are simple firewalls, and some of them are just simple cloud keys that you can set up to manage. One of the neat things about these guys that we could talk about in a later video is that this is specifically designed for surveillance. Even though that we're not going to be using it in this installation as a surveillance NVR, these have that ability. So when we're done here, we'll be able to go around and walk through all these different apartment buildings, find the switches that we need to control, adopt them, and then eventually give the customer exactly what he's looking for, which is the ability to manage and see his entire network from his computer, from his tablet, from his phone. So as you can see, this is another building. This is the second building that we're gonna be getting information from. We're gonna come get the information from the switch. We're gonna just use the box, look for that MAC address and record that so that when we set up the management portal, we can look at this guy from So guys, here we have another apartment complex, another unit. I wanted to show you, this is actually where all of the fiber comes in for this customer. So the customer had a fiber port come in, a lot of bandwidth is coming in, and from this building itself, there's fiber to 4 other apartment complexes. Where we showed you earlier, we were setting up the main management hub and all that, the UniFi key. This is actually where physically all of the fiber runs into. We have an aggregate switch right here and then a regular switch for this building. The aggregate switch will control traffic flowing in and out through these fiber lines for every other building, including the main one that we set up, the UniFi key, where the router sits and all that data is collected.